Kiddos, learn and grow. Let's learn A to G. A for alligator. B for ball. C for chair. D for drum. E for envelope. Great job! You're learning so fast. F for fan. G for glasses. H for hen. I for ice. J for jar. Wow, you're doing amazing. K for key. L for rock. M for mirror. N for notebook. O for oven. Fantastic, keep going. P for pillow. Q for green. R for robot. S for spoon. T for table. You're doing great. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Last but not least, letter G for zip.